So here is, we are starting today Ad-Darsu Thalithu, the third chapter. Okay, Ad-Darsu Thalithu. Now I mentioned that to make any ism, baytun, which is a house, any house, but if I want to talk about specific house, so I will attach lamu ta'rif to that al. So al baytu means the house, means a specific house. Kitabun, a book, any book, it can be any book. Al kitabu means a specific book, a specific book. And when al is there is no tanween on the last letter. Otherwise, there is tanween here, kitabun. There is tanween here, baytun. Okay. Al qalamun, a pen, any pen. Al qalamu, the pen, it's a specific pen. Jamalun, okay, a camel, it can be any camel. Al jamalu means the camel is specific camel. Okay, so this is ma'rifa, this is nakira, this is nakira, this is ma'rifa, this is nakira, this is ma'rifa, this is nakira, this is ma'rifa. Okay, again here we are going into jumlatul ismiyah. Al qalamu maksurun, the pen is broken, the pen is broken. This is al mubtada and this is al khabar. So you can make analysis of it at home. Okay, al babu maftuhun, the door is open. Maftuhun means open. Okay, maftuhun means open, the door is opened. Al waladu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun, the boy is sitting and the teacher is standing. Okay, both of them are al jumlatul ismiyah and they are separated by harfu ataf. Al waladu jalisun, the boy is sitting, and al mudarrisu waqifun, the teacher is standing. Okay, here again, al kitabu jadidun wal qalamu qadimun, the book is new. Al kitabu jadidun, the book is new, which makes complete sense. So it's jumlatul ismiyah. Wal qalamu qadimun, and the pen is old. The book is new and the pen is old. Qadimun means old. Now I explained you Hamzatul Wasl and Hamzatul Qata. And I told you that when any word comes before Hamzatul Wasl, so it joins that word to the next word. So this was al qalamu, but when ba came to it, this hamza is not pronounced. Wal qalamu. Directly it is ba. After that we are directly mentioning hamza. Now it depends on what kind of letter is this. Which one? Qaf. The qaf is from harfu qamariya, so that's why lam is pronounced here. Wal qalamu. I'm not saying wa qalamu. Okay, because this is from huruful qamariya. Okay, remember this. Al himaru saghirun wal hisanu kabirun. Al himaru saghirun wal hisanu kabirun. The donkey is small or short and the horse is big. The horse is big. Al himaru saghirun, the donkey is small and the horse is big. Al kursiyu maksurun, the chair is broken. Complete jumlatul ismiya. The chair is broken. Al kursiyu maksurun. Kursiyu. If there is no al, it will be kursiyun. Okay. Al mindilu wasikhun. The scarf is dirty. Wasikhun means dirty. The handkerchief is dirty. The handkerchief is dirty. Okay. Al mindilu wasikhun. Al ma'u, there is hamza here. There is a misprint here. It's a hamza here. Al ma'u baridun. The water is cold. Baridun means cold. Al ma'u baridun. Al qamaru jamilun. Okay, the moon is beautiful. Jamilun means beautiful. The moon is beautiful. Al baytu qaribun wal masjidu ba'idun. The house is near and the masjid is far. Qaribun means near, بعيد means far. الحجر ثقيل والورق خفيف. الحجر means the rock, the stone. الحجر ثقيل, the rock is heavy. ثقيل means heavy. الحجر ثقيل والورق means the paper. Okay, والورق خفيف, the paper is light. Okay, the paper is light. الحجر ثقيل والورق خفيف. اللبن حار, the milk is hot. حار means hot. اللبن حار, the milk is hot. القميص نظيف. القميص نظيف, the shirt is clean. The shirt is clean. نظيف means clean. القميص means the shirt. Okay, now this is the exercise. Now what you have to do in this exercise is there are no harakat here. So there are no harakat. Now you have to tell them with correct harakat. So there is mixture of ma'rifa and nakira over here, words. And you have to write it down also with the correct harakat. Okay? Masjidun. I'm just telling you masjidun because this is a masjid. So the dal will carry tanween, masjidun. And I told you ism by itself is always taking dammatan, two damma. Now how it will become two fatha and how it will become two kasra, we will learn it later on, inshallah. So don't worry. So how the ism converts from marfu to mansub to majroor, you will be learning it very soon, inshallah. Okay. Now this is al-masjidu. Al-masjidu, because al is there, so it will carry single dhamma. Al-ma'u, the water. Ma'un, water. Ma'un, al-baytu, the house. Babun, a house. Qalamun, a pen. Al-qalamu, al-qalamu, the pen. Al-kalbu, the dog. Kalbun, qamisun, a shirt. Waladun, a boy. Al-hajaru, the rock. Al-waladu, the boy. Himarun, donkey. Al-himaru, the donkey. Al-hisanu, the horse. Hisanun, horse. Okay. Iqra waktub, read and write. Okay, you have to, at home you have to read and write. Okay, that's your homework. Read and write. Al-maktabu maksurun, the desk is broken. Al-maktabu means the desk. The desk is broken. Al-mudarrisu jadidun, the teacher is new. Al-qamisu wasikhun, the shirt is dirty. The shirt is dirty. Al-labanu baridun, the milk is cold. Al-masjidu maftuhun, the masjid is opened. The masjid is open. Maftuhun means open. Al-hajaru kabirun, the rock is big. Al-labanu baridun wal-ma'u harrun, the milk is cold and the water is hot. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal-mudarrisu waqifun. Al-muhandisu, now these are all without signs, without harakat. So you have to learn the proper harakat. You have to put the proper harakat, brothers and sisters. Al-muhandisu means the engineer. Now all these meanings are given in the vocabulary PDF file, which you can download from the website. Al-muhandisu means the engineer. Al-muhandisu jalisun, the engineer is sitting. Wal-mudarrisu waqifun, the teacher is standing. Waqifun means standing. Waqifun means standing. Al-qamaru ba'idun. The moon is far. Ba'idun means far. Al-mindilu nazifun. The kerchief is clean. Nazifun means clean. The kerchief is clean. Okay. Now here you have to, in this third example, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks. Now 3 minutes are left. Whoever wants to answer, they can flag their hands and I will put on their mic so you can answer that. So what you have to do is, for example, in first example, al-hajaru. So there is a missing word here. So you have to use one of these words. So the words that are given is jamilun. Jamilun means beautiful. Wasikhun means dirty. Maftuhun means opened. Harun means hot. Thaqilun means heavy. Khafifun means light, means lightweight. Okay. So I am asking Sister Zara, you can unmute your mic and answer the first one with a complete sentence. Okay. Zara Wasim Khan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me please. Okay. So Sister Aisha Siddiqa, I'm unmuting your mic. Yeah. First one. Okay, so I think you do not get my answer. Okay, so the thing is, you have to fill in from one of these words. Al-hajaru. What is the best word that can go here with hajaru? Al-hajaru means the rock. Jamilun means beautiful. It cannot go with this. Wasikhun means dirty. It cannot go with this. Maftuhun means open. It cannot go with this. Harun means hot. It cannot go with this. Thaqilun means heavy. This makes sense. So al-hajaru thaqilun. So the meaning of that will be the stone is heavy. Okay. In the same way, you have to tell from second. So I'm opening the mic of Sister Hiba.
Al-babu maftuhun.
Al-babu maftuhun. Excellent, sister. Okay. So I'm now opening the mic of Sister Samina Javed. Number 3.
Assalamu alaikum. Al-qamaru jamilun.
Al-qamaru jamilun. Excellent. So I'm opening the mic of Brother Taimur Abbasi. Number 4.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi.
Al-waraku khafifun.
Al-waraku khafifun. Tell me the meaning also, brother.
Warak and khafifun comes
The
in
meaning
weak.
of the sentence.
The paper is weak.
The paper is
Weak
khafifun.
or khafifun.
Light.
Light.
Yes, the paper is light. Good.
Yeah.
So the next is I'm opening the mic of Amtul Kareem. Number 5.
It's al-mandil.
Al-mindilu.
Mandilu.
Mindilu, sister. Al-mindilu.
Mindilu khafifan.
Yes, you can say khafifun, that the kerchief is light. But if you look at the words, since khafifun already went with al-waraku, so I will choose another word from here. What is the most appropriate word that can go with al-mindilu, the kerchief?
Wasikhun.
Wasikhun. What is the meaning of the whole sentence? Al-mindilu wasikhun?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so the kerchief is dirty. Wasikhun means dirty. Okay.
Okay.
So the kerchief is dirty. So I'm opening the mic of Sister Nahida Bano. Okay, so I think sister is not able. Okay, sister, you want to say?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Yes.
Number 6.
Number 6. Al-laban harun.
Al-labanu harun. Al-labanu
Al-laban.
harun. Yeah, al-labanu harun. Okay, so it is, we are already late today. Inshallah, we will be continuing this class next Tuesday, same timing. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.